How y'all doing? We're out here with a very rare one. 356 Winchester. These are 200 grain, and they're rimmed. Come on now, get out of here. I thought these are the back end of a 308, but I was definitely wrong on that. A nice flat bullet. Let's see what happens here. By the way, every time you pull the trigger on this gun, it's like $3. These bullets are kind of rare. They only make them maybe once a year. This ain't even my gun. It's my nephew's gun. And he doesn't even know I'm shooting it. He's in the house. Let's put a couple in here and see what happens. I'll tell you what, they want to stay in that styrofoam. This has no safety. Just like most lever actions, you just bring the hammer down. And the Winchester has a special safety. If you're not pushing up, the gun will not go off. There you go, dear. Pull the hammer back. Pull the hammer back right here. Hold it tight. Pop it off. If you can't hit your target, maybe I will. Nice shot. Operate it. It kicks a little bit. I don't think it's any more than a 30-30 or a 350. What is that? 35 Remington. I'm not sure if you hit your target or not. Nope. Take one and let me give it a pop. All right, my turn. Give me that. Here, film this. I handled this gun a couple times. It's very smooth. Let's see what happens here. Very accurate. These ain't my bullets. I might as well shoot again. What do you think?
Yeah.
Alrighty then. The trigger has a lot of play, but it's very crisp. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Oh, I missed that one. All right. I think I'm done playing with it. I know Jonathan's hearing this, but this thing looks almost brand new. The only thing I hate, some idiot drilled and tapped it. Why would they mess with such a beautiful rifle? I love the Winchester feel, your whole pistol grip. Oh. All right.
Well.
Bye.